Osun State High Court sentences two men to 7 years imprisonment for brutal assault resulting in permanent blindness. Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. In a landmark judgment, Justice Kudirat Akonu of the Osun State High Court in Ede, Osun State, yesterday sentenced two men, Oluwashina Adenle Wakil and Yusuf Adewale, to 7 years imprisonment each for a vicious attack that left their victim, Abdulsalam Jubri Oyewale, permanently blind in his right eye. The ruling has sparked widespread debate about the adequacy of the sentencing in light of the severity of the crime. The convicts were arraigned in March 2023 on a 7-count charge including conspiracy, attempted murder, and assault occasioning harm under various sections of the Criminal Code. The incident, which occurred in September 2022, was described in harrowing detail during the trial. Oyewale, the victim, testified that he was riding a motorcycle with a friend along Ibode Poly Road in Ede when a black Toyota Corolla overtook and blocked their path. Yusuf Adewale, the second defendant, alighted from the car, seized the motorcycle key, and along with Oluwashina Adenle Wakil and others launched a brutal attack. During the assault, a stick was inserted into Oyewale's right eye, causing severe injuries and profuse bleeding. Oyewale recanted the physical and emotional toll of the attack, revealing that he sought treatment at multiple hospitals, including Minaret Hospital in Osogbo, University College Hospital in Ibadan, and Eye Foundation Hospital in Lagos. Despite extensive medical intervention, doctors informed him that the damage to his retina was irreversible, leaving him permanently blind in his right eye. He continues to seek treatment to preserve his remaining eyesight, a stark reminder of the lifelong consequences of the assault. The prosecution, led by Solicitor General and Permanent Secretary of the state, Morufat Bello, alongside Chief State Counsel Adekunle Adeniyi, presented a compelling case, calling for witnesses and tendering 9 exhibits. In her verdict, Justice Akonu ruled that the prosecution had proven its case beyond reasonable doubt, emphasizing the gravity of the crime and its impact on the victim. However, the sentences has drawn criticism from legal experts and human rights advocates who argue that the 7-year imprisonment term is disproportionately lenient given the life-altering injuries inflicted on the victim. The convicts were sentenced to 7 years for conspiracy, 3 years for assault occasioning harm, 1 year for assault, and 1 month for breach of peace, with the sentences to run concurrently. This means the maximum time they will serve is 7 years, a decision that has raised questions about the adequacy of Nigeria's legal framework in addressing violent crimes. Counsel to the defendants, Ayodele Laogu, pleaded for leniency, citing that his clients were first-time offenders with dependents. While Justice Akonu acknowledged these mitigating factors, critics argued that the severity of the crime warranted a harsher punishment to serve as a deterrent to others. The case has reignited calls for a review of sentencing guidelines for violent crimes in Nigeria, particularly those resulting in permanent disability or disfigurement. Human rights organizations have urged the government to prioritize the protection of citizens and ensure that justice is not only served but seen to be served. As Oyewale continues to grapple with the physical and psychological scars of the attack, the ruling serves as a sobering reminder of the need for a justice system that balances leniency with accountability, ensuring that victims of violent crimes receive the justice they deserve. Thank you for joining me in this segment. I am Joseph Iyaji.